Repeat after me. To erase hate.
Erase hate.
Yeah, God spread love.
God spread love.
Okay, now let's do how we do in church. Turn to your neighbor and say, neighbor.
Neighbor.
To erase hate.
Erase hate.
You gotta spread love.
You gotta spread love.
That's right. That's right. To erase hate, you gotta spread what? Love. Okay, that's what we're gonna talk about in my sermon right now. Love. I want to be held captive by your love, captured by your love, left helplessly and breathlessly raptured by your love, and get handcuffed by your love, get roughed up by your love, get high and die and resurrectedly revived by your love. See, I want to feel the sugar of your love, the natural sweetness of your love, the kind that leaves nothing but air beneath this kind of love, that feel-good kind of love, that all-good kind of love, and not that infatual, lustful, commercial kind of love, but that kind of love that doesn't need to be sugar-coated by roses or candy or anything fancy. A love that's fun, yet very classy. A love that hugs you like spandex or kisses you like a raindrop. A love that's endless, unlimited, non-stop. I want a love that can get inside me and into my lungs. A love that can have me speaking in tongues. I want love. I want to be trapped by your love, held in bondage by your love, be lost in a forest in a small cottage by your love, and be arrested by your love, be injected by your love, and never be rejected but ejected by your love. See, I want to feel the summertime heat of your love, and smell the Thanksgiving home cooking of your love, feel the smoothness of your love, and smell the jello pudding of your love. I want to inhale your love so I can exhale my appreciation to how your love feels in my eternal dimension. I want to feel your love all over me and make co-star appearances in my dreams. I want to hear your love on the radio and see it on the movie screens. I want to be drafted by your love, enlisted by your love, be dizzy, dazed, and twisted by your love, and get showered on by your love, get held upon by your love, climb aboard a vacation cruise line and set sail upon your love. See. I want a love that would never, ever go away. Whether you're dating every week or saying I do on your wedding day. I want love. To embrace hate, you gotta spread what? Love. Because there was a time where I thought this day would never come. Feeling like it was possible for some, but I would never be one. Feeling like God was the only kind of love that could ever embrace me intimately until God gracefully said you unto me. And now you stand here before me, passionately and lovingly, causing wetness to fill my eyes as your presence warms me up happily. Never thought a feeling like this so heavenly could be shared between you and me. Forever, for us, for life, for love. Because this will be the day I totally submit my heart to you, surrendering the objectives of self and direct my objectives onto you. Because see, my love for you goes beyond equal to any part of me that I may see in my own reflections as I shift my attentions to your affections, establishing this covenant connection to the freshly new part of me that stands by me beautifully and wants me yet happily and breathtakingly. Our compatibility, dog, fits like a glove. Only a fit like this could have came from above. Forever, for us, for life, for love. And though some never saw it coming and others don't think it'll last, some will bless our future while others will bring up our past, but together we'll cast out every conflict and thought in mind and just leave it far, far, far behind and just let the future shine upon us for everyone to see the ultimate commitment between you and me, because it's going to be you and me, you and I, till our spirits embrace the sky forever for us. For life. To erase hate, you guys spread what? Love. I'm Alex Sam, the soul writer. Ladies, stay beautiful. Fellas, keep it righteous. Everyone have a good night.